Hi everybody! I thought I'd pop on here and do a quick tutorial on the magic circle, which is how a lot of things start in crochet in the round. I have a little example. This is one of the little washcloths we do in our Learn to Crochet class, and it starts right in here. A long time ago, or I don't know, some amount of time ago, usually we just start this by like chaining 6 and then slip stitching to close that chain and making a loop that way. And that's still fine if you like to do that, but a magic circle can be pulled really tight so you get a nice clean inside, and so it's really nice for like amigurumi and things like that where you definitely don't want a hole with the stuffing popping through. So I'm just going to show you. It's super quick. Some people find it a little confusing, but you know, it's just the very beginning. So if you need to start over a bunch of times, just start over a bunch of times until you get it. Just practice it a few times. So what you want to do is take your working yarn and just lie it across your palm or your fingers like this, and then you wrap it around. The tail is over here and the working yarn is over here. So then you cross it like that. And what you're going to do is stick your needle right into the loop that's on your finger like this. And you're going to grab this loop in the back and pull it through the loop around your finger. So then it looks like that. And then usually you have to like chain 2, chain 3. We're going to pretend we're doing double crochets into this magic circle. So I'm going to chain 3. Say 1, 2, 3. I wouldn't take your finger out of here for those 3 because that sort of secures it. And then you can take your finger out, but it's important to make sure that the tail still sort of comes along here and that you're crocheting over that tail as you go around. So then you would do your, how many ever, I'm going to do maybe 7 more double crochets. It's pretty common for a start of something. Amigurumi are usually more single crochet, but I don't know. I felt like doing doubles, so that's what we're going to do. It's 5, 6, and 7. So every time you just go right into the circle. So you see now the circle looks like this. And if I was to continue, I would just keep going and make sure that this tail stays right here with the circle. And then to close the circle, all you do is you grab the tail and you pull it really tight like that. And then usually you would like slip stitch to join in the top of this chain 3 or something. So we'll just do that so you can see the finish. So see, then you have a nice, tight little beginning. Isn't it cute? Oh, it's so cute. Now I kind of want to crochet something in a circle. Anyway, that's a magic circle. I hope this was helpful. Definitely try it a few times because, yeah, some people find it a little confusing, but just sort of make sure your tail is positioned across your hand and the working yarn is what you cross, and that it sort of stays around the circle as you go. And that should be it. You should be all good. I hope it helps, and I hope to see you in the next podcast. Thank you. Bye. Thanks for watching.